be preparing and prepping for the new year, but also the new semester. This is my last semester in college. I'm gonna be like resetting for the new year and for the new semester all in one day. You hear my stomach? I'm gonna do all of this, like all of the prepping and planning and preparing in 24 hours. This should be a fun video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝒂𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒆. If you're new here, I make faith, college, and lifestyle videos. I just want to thank you guys for 800 subscribers. That's so crazy to me. Thank you guys so much. Lots of new faces. As I said, I'm prepping for the new year and I have a very long, is it long? I have a to-do list and there's quite a good amount of like things on it. So on the to-do list today, one, I need to wash my sheets. I'm getting my nails done. Then after I get my nails done, I'm gonna go grocery shopping for the week. Come back and refresh my room. There are some areas of my room that I want to declutter. So I'm gonna do that, and then I might do like a little light cleaning. I need to plan, schedule, and just set like systems for the month and for this new semester and for the week. So yeah, that is the to-do list today. It's a full day. Let's get started. Okay, so we're on my phone because I decided to leave my camera at home, but I am about to go get my nails done. I'll show you the nails that I want to get. I think it's gonna be really cute. It's really simple but also like bright and like fun for the new year, because like I don't know why, but for like this new year I want to like have like bright fun colors in like my closet and like my nails and stuff. So obviously I don't have that on today, but going forward into the new year. So the girl who's doing my nails, she's located 10 minutes away, so I'm gonna let my car warm up for 5 minutes and then head out. So I'm back from getting my nails done. They look so good. They're a little bit longer than I wanted them to be, but they still look so good. I'm just glad I don't look like I don't have baby hands anymore. I'm about to go grocery shopping real quick. I have to go to 2 places. I normally go to 2 places when I go grocery shopping. I go to Aldi's and Walmart. Right now I'm at Aldi's. I am not gonna pick up a lot of stuff. I'm literally just picking up like the bare necessities. Usually when I go grocery shopping, I meal plan. Like I will go on Pinterest or go online and find recipes and then buy items specific to that recipe. I'm going to go grocery shop now. Okay. So it's a little bit later now. My nails are done, as you can see. I did go grocery shopping at Aldi's. You saw that as well. And so now I'm going to do some planning. So this part of the video is going to be very interesting because there are just so many things that I want to plan out and that I need to plan out for this new year. Let me put on my handy dandy glasses. Okay, I'm going to fill out my big monthly planner that's sitting on my desk, just so I can see everything that is happening or supposed to be happening as of right now in January. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is my monthly calendar, like the big one that I have on my desk. This is December. This is January. I've done in the past is I've made a code for everything, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm just gonna put it right here. I use all of my midliners. I love these things. what the calendar is looking like so far. We still have a couple things that I have to add in, like for school and for the job that I'm doing this semester. And so I just have to wait until tonight because my my class let me take these off. My class scheduler opens back up tonight, so I'll be able to finalize my class schedule tonight, and then I can go ahead and plan everything else around that and then add it to this calendar. So later on tonight when I'm doing that, I will come back and show you guys and update you guys about that. But I have a sticky note with all the things that I need to plan on it. So the next thing that I need to do is write my goals on my board. Okay, this is my whiteboard. I'm gonna write on it with this black marker, but I'm just gonna write out my goals for the month and like what my intentions are. If you haven't watched my 2022 goals video, go watch it. It'll be up in the cards or down in the description, but go watch it so that you'll know what my goals are. And also, if you've seen that video, then you know this is my goal and like planning book for the year. It has literally like all of my plans, goals, intentions for the year in here. And that's what I'm going to use to fill out this whiteboard. I just want to put it on this whiteboard because then I'll be able to see it every day, and it'll be like right in my face. So yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just very simple. I'm not very, you know, artsy person, but day by day, that is my I guess mantra, or I guess intention for the month. And then I put the month here. Yeah, I just want to take this month day by day, and then here are my goals. My biggest goals for the month of January is to be consistent in my routines. And to be more specific is to do these things every day. So 15 minutes of devotion, 30 minutes of movement, and then 30 minutes of reading. And those are the things that I kind of just want to get consistent in. And then I want to hit 850 subscribers. We're at 800 right now, so I'm confident that we'll hit that. Then I want to create an editing workflow. So I want to be more diligent and just be more organized when it comes to actually editing, because it's my least favorite part of making YouTube videos. So I want to create a workflow that helps me be consistent with editing. And then I want to apply for graduation and get approved. And then I want to apply to 10 full-time jobs this month. So yeah, that is my January goals. I quickly want to show you my weekly planning. So do you guys follow what's her name, 𝒂𝒏𝒚𝒐𝒏𝒆? I think that's how you say it. She's the girl on TikTok that does like the salmon and like white rice and like then the seaweed wrap, like little recipe thing that everybody was raving about the other day. Yeah, she does that, but she also does this thing that she calls her weekly plan, where she plans out literally her week, but in a way that I've never seen before. So she literally plans out her meals, her outfits, and her workouts for every single day. And I tried it once and it was amazing. Like, it made my life so much more easier when I literally just took like maybe 30 minutes on Sunday to just write out what I wanted to eat every day, what I wanted to wear every day, and how I wanted to exercise every day. And that week, that 1 week that I did it, it just felt so good to not have to figure those things out every night. I've been creating a little weekly plan. So as you can see, January 3rd through the 8th, so Monday, that was yesterday. I was driving back from my home here to where I stay for college. So this is today. I literally had coffee, oatmeal, and peanut butter this morning, and then like the outfit is literally what I'm wearing, like black and white brown and white flannel, long sleeve, brown sweatpants, and then I have the rest of my week planned out. Declutter this little rolling cart that I have right here. I'm gonna take off my Christmas decorations, change my Christmas candle, clean up some of the stuff that's going on down there, and then get my diffuser going. It is 7 p.m. on the dot. I took my flannel off. I am trying to finalize my class schedule. I'm trying to get into the class before it's taken. The portal just opened up. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna crash. And I'm like rushing so bad right now. I will literally, please, Jesus, please. Come on. Come on. Gosh, deleting this so hard. Okay, so it's not letting me register for certain classes because I'm not technically in that major. Like, I'm trying to take an advertising class, but I'm not in the advertising major, so it's saying that I can't take that class. But usually during ad drop week, you can sign up for any class that you want to, even if you're not in the major. This is so frustrating. I'll be back. No, it's so saturated. Here, I think that's better. So hello everyone. It is now Friday, so it's been like 2 or 3 days. When I last left off, I was like in stress mode. Sorry about my hair. Because I was trying to apply for a class. I didn't get into the class that I wanted to, but I got into the class that I originally had planned to get into. I hope that makes sense. I'm sorry if it doesn't. I wanted to let you guys know, well, I wanted to end off the video and let you guys know a couple of things that I've done to prepare since you guys last saw me. So I did pick up a few more things like grocery shopping. I went and got my hair done. As you can see, I cut it. So she is in her short hair era. Yes, she is. I also filled out more of my monthly spread planner. This is what it's looking like now. It's still not completely finished. I also got some flowers. I love these. These are, I forgot what these are. I used to know the name of them and now I don't anymore. So there's that. That's about it. Started my first day of classes and went well. And yeah, I'm just trying to get into the swing of things. I'm trying to get into a routine. Oh, that's what I can also show you. I created a Google Calendar. That's also not completely finished, but I can show that to you. This is what my schedule, daily schedule, is looking like. Here we are. It's not completely finished. As you see, there are some holes that I have to fill up with, and I have to fill these holes in with something, or else I will just scroll on Instagram for all of these hours. So I'm not completely done, but when I am finished, I will show you if I remember. But I can always do an in-depth video on that, so if you want me to, let me know. That's what's been going on, and that is me finishing my reset preparations for the year. I think this year is going to be a good year. It's going to be a fun year, and even if it's not, God is still good, so that's all that matters. Yeah, I've just been filming lots of content, so you're going to be seeing this sweater a lot. Other than that, I believe this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. If you are watching this right now, let's see, should I do like a comment thing? Okay, yes. If you are watching this right now, comment the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come, okay? If you're watching this, comment the best is yet to come, and you better do it so I can know and I can shout you out. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There's a hair in my eye. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.